What's up, guys? And we've just had Black Friday here in the UK, and I'll be honest, I spent far too much money. But it's good news for you guys. That means there's going to be plenty of unboxing videos to be posted. I'll show you some of the items I've purchased and what I'll be reviewing. So first up is the Hive Active Heating. I've already had this fitted, and the company who fitted it, which is British Gas, made an absolute balls up of it and made me boiler leak. So watch out for that video coming up. That's a good one. Next up, we have some Bluetooth AKG headphones, which I got free with my smartwatch. Then we have a Google Home Hub, which is a new product to the market, so that should be quite a good one. And I'll also be comparing that to the Amazon Echo. I've also got a LG OLED TV, a B8 version I think it is. That's coming in a couple of days' time, which I can't wait to get that. OLED TV is meant to be the next step up in TV technology, so that should be an interesting watch. I'll be comparing it to my current Samsung LCD. And finally, we have the Gear S3 Frontier, which I will be unboxing for you now. So let's get underway. Samsung Gear S3 Frontier Edition. Now, this originally was around £300 in the UK, and this Black Friday it's been dropped down to £199 in some stores, but I was fortunate enough to find somewhere where I could get it for £149, and that included the free AKG headphones. So that's a nice little bonus. I believe this watch is getting on a bit now, but after looking online, I realised that the new version isn't all that it's cracked up to be. Many customers are complaining about that it's not tracking the steps and heart rate properly, which that makes, a number of the features of the watch useless if it can't do that. So I've previously had a Samsung smartwatch before, which was the original Galaxy Gear. For any of you that don't know, it was the one that had, I don't know if you can see that, the camera on the front, which has come in handy over the years, especially going to theme parks and such like, going on rides where you're not supposed to take a camera, but being on a watch, there's nothing that you can really do about that. So yeah, recorded some great footage, on ride footage with that over the time. Downsides with it are the strap is very hard on it, but for its age, it's a decent little watch. But it's time to retire that one now, and move on to this one. So let's get it open. So we've got a little pull tab here on the side. And just point out, this is it says on the bottom, this space grey. And I'll read you some of the specs. So we've got a built-in speaker and standalone, I don't know if that's going to focus on there. No, not really. Standalone GPS. It's a 32.9mm or 1.3 inch full Super AMOLED display. Full colour, always on watch face. IP68, certified dust and water resistant. Military grade certification durability. 22mm standard watch band compatible. Long lasting battery, and that's 380 milliamp hours. So that's the specs. What have we got on here? Looks like we've got another bit of a cover on there. I didn't see that one. Let's take that off. A couple of seals on the side, one on that side and that one. Let's see if I can break that. No, I can't. Right, I will get a knife. Okay, got the knife now. I should really be more prepared for these videos. Always forget the knives. So one side done. And other side. Right, let's lift the lid off. Comes off nice and easily. There we have it. Let's put a bit more light on here. Oh, it's got a bit yellowy, but there we go. It's a bit better. Very well presented. And I'm loving the colour on that. Nice, like sort of space grey. That's Samsung logo on there. Let's lift this off. Oh, and it's magnetically attached. I'm guessing that's the charger underneath. It does look so much better than I thought, to be honest. So let's just put the watch to one side a minute and have a look at what's in the box. There we go. So that just pulls straight out there. And yeah, that will be the charger. So you've got the, I guess that's micro USB on there. And a bit of plastic. So quite a small design on that. And nice that you haven't actually got to plug anything around the watch, where my old one, if I show you guys quickly, would charge with this thing, which you would have to open up, wrap around the watch, like so, where this new one is clearly just magnetised on there, just slips on, and there you go. Right, so is there anything in the bottom of this? Yeah, so that comes off, revealing a little bag which has a little charging cable, quick start guide, oh, and another strap which says small, so I'm guessing the one that's on the watch is a large, and you've got the option to change that over. Nice soft feeling that. So put these bits back in. He says, easier said than done. Right, so moving on to the watch itself. Bit of foam in there. Protective film over the front. And let's see if we turn this on. So we've got, it's like 2 buttons on the side there. I'd say that's a speaker. Dial moves there, that's to control things. Nice action to that. Feels nice and smooth. Let's press this button there, I'm guessing that will be the power. Or will it be that one? The bottom one. So now we're presented with Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. Lovely feeling the strap on this. So much softer than the old one. Feels like a normal watch strap should do. Where this one, like I said, it's bordering on plastic, to be honest. It's so hard. So it's still booting up. Now we're presented with welcome. And now we've got a selection of language. Oh, and it's just popped up on my display that a new watch has been found. So I've got the Galaxy Note 9 and automatically the phone has picked up the watch, which is a good start. So if I press next on there, I may have to switch cameras because this is now going to want me to set it up using the phone, but that's the phone I'm actually recording on. So I'm going to leave you guys there for a second and try and pinch my partner's phone to record the rest of this video on. I am now on my partner's phone, and straight away on my Note 9 it's come up saying new device has been detected. So I'm going to press connect on that, and it's saying let's pair up, and we've got a couple of messages come up on the phone and the watch with a passkey, and they both match up. So I'm going to tick box on the watch and OK on the phone, and now it's preparing to connect. Okay, so we've got another message pop up now asking me to allow Gear S plugin. So I allow on that, and then allow to access the calendar. And we now have some terms and conditions. Agree to those. We have now got it saying let's go. It says go clockwise, widgets will appear. I don't know if this is focusing very well on the phone here, but oh, hold on. So straight away I've got notifications coming through on the phone. And I'm presented with on the Note 9 about managing notifications, which I will do later on, I think. So moving back to the watch. So let's go clockwise, widgets will appear. There we go, focusing now. So we've got weather, turn the other way, it says, go different watch face, turn again, notifications. So it's told me to press this button here, which has now brought up the apps. You can scroll down and it brings up the, I'm guessing like the settings menu. Cover the phone, cover the screen with your palm. Your screen will turn off. There we go. Guessing it's, yeah, there we go, raise to wake. And there we have the watch display. So I'm going to have a bit of a fiddle around with this now, and I will update you guys with some more videos of how the watch works, different watch faces, and how it compares to my old one. Just finish off actually by showing you the bottom of the watch. We've got another cover on there and sticker, and then we have the sensor, nice and shiny. There it is, all in all its glory. Sorry about this, for some reason my partner's phone does not want to focus properly. That's what you get for having one of those cheap Note 8s, I suppose. So thanks for watching this video, and if you've liked it, please like and subscribe, and join me for one of my many unboxing videos come over the next few days. Cheers.